I bet you didn't know a business laptop could be this versatile. Introducing the ThinkPad E14 G5, this laptop isn't just a pretty face. With a 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, it's built to handle your toughest business tasks effortlessly. Running Windows 11 Pro, you get top-notch security and a seamless user experience. Plus, with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, multitasking and storage are a breeze. The 14-inch UXGA IPS display is a visual treat, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals, perfect for work and casual browsing. Need to connect on the go? With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, staying connected has never been easier. And let's not forget the integrated fingerprint reader for that extra layer of security. Weighing in at just under 3.5 pounds, and sporting a sleek graphite black finish, the E14 G5 is as portable as it is powerful. And for those long work hours, the backlit keyboard ensures you can keep going, day or night. Whether you're in the office or on the move, the ThinkPad E14 G5 has got your back. Get ready to elevate your business game. Call to action. Hit the link below to find out more and get yours today.